Google AI Mode is a new threat for website owners and publishers. If search snippets and AI overviews weren't enough, then this AI mode will almost guarantee to obliterate the number of visitors that are coming to your website. And I hate to say this, but the writing is on the wall. In case you didn't know, Google has been experimenting with AI mode since December 2024. It is a feature that lets the user to search anything, like having a chat with AI. It is being powered by Gemini 2.0 and it has the capability of reading content from lots of websites and coming back with a summary. And the best part is that the user can follow up the answer with more questions. All interactions can be done in Google Search. There is no need to visit a website. In a way, this is very much similar to Perplexity AI. It can search the web, analyze content, and accept various forms of input such as text, images, and voice. From the announcement video, AI mode will appear on both desktop and mobile. Google would still display the normal search result with AI overviews, and the user needs to navigate to AI mode to enjoy the extra features. Right now when I'm making this video, Google AI mode is only available in a limited number of Google One Premium users. But given the track record of AI features, it is safe to say that AI mode will be released widely, perhaps in the near future. We don't know if it is going to be an exclusive feature for Google One subscribers or if everyone will eventually access this feature. But either way, this is an existential threat for website owners and publishers. Because at its core, this technology will stop the flow of organic clicks that are coming to your website. If the user can find the information that they want with minimum effort, then why would they need to visit multiple pages, reading long paragraphs only to get the same information provided by AI? With no visitors, there will be no conversion, and therefore there is no transaction. It is really scary, but if you have been in the loop of AI progression in the last 2 or 3 years, then you know that this day is coming. Now, I don't think SEO is dead, but it is definitely changing. But the problem is, it is changing really quickly for anyone to adapt. If history is anything to go by, there will be substantial decline in traffic, especially for websites that are slow to adapt. And that probably will affect a huge chunk of websites on the internet. So yeah, it is scary and unpredictable. There is nothing we can do but to accept, adapt, and move on. But despite the gloomy future, there are some silver linings. Perhaps one thing that I'm excited about is the query fan-out technique. Don't worry, I also never heard that term before until I made this video. But basically, AI mode will pull information from multiple subtopics and resources. This means it may feature content from a website that doesn't rank on the traditional blue links list. This approach emphasizes the uniqueness of the content rather than SEO metrics like backlink, domain age, or site authority. So maybe smaller websites with genuine content will be featured more and more on AI mode. And I think this is a great move as it promotes website owners and publishers to publish content that is unique, like your real-life experience, which is something that AI can't emulate. So when it comes to content creation, you can use AI, but make sure to infuse something that is unique and might only happen to you. You can still talk about your insights, tips and tricks, or maybe product reviews. You only need to write maybe one short paragraph about it and use AI to expand this short paragraph into an SEO-friendly article. And according to the promotional video, AI mode seems to be generous at displaying website sources. On mobile, the list of links will be placed at the top, and on desktop, there are 2 sections featuring multiple links. And of course, let's not forget that there are hyperlinks that are scattered throughout the AI response. This way, users can interact with the links if they want to see more info and become your website visitors. And I think Google understands this relation really well. AI model like Gemini is consuming data from publishers. If AI mode doesn't feature any way for users to visit any link, then publishers have no reason to produce their knowledge on the internet. This is a balance that is tricky and most AI companies don't seem to respect, but I hope Google will lead by example. Using data from website owners, sure, I think it is inevitable, but at least give some credit to the creators. The second good news is Google is still testing and experimenting with AI mode. They are planning to add more visual content like images and videos in the future. I'm sure by now that you are already aware that Google has been promoting more and more video content into the search result. Just last year, they added the short videos menu that displays video from TikTok, Instagram, and of course, YouTube Shorts. So I recommend you to start doubling down on video content. Now, we don't know if AI mode will display short videos or normal long-form video like the one that you're watching right now. But it is safe to say that videos would play a huge role in the future of search. And if making videos is not your thing right now, at least start putting some high quality and relevant images to your article. But what do you mean by high quality images? Well, try to minimize the use of stock images and go with a type of image that's actually valuable to the readers. For example, if you're making an article about wedding decoration ideas, do not use a generic picture of a wedding ceremony. It doesn't really help. Instead, it is much more ideal to use real pictures from real people that actually have some amazing wedding decoration ideas. Fortunately, these pictures are somewhat easy to find in social media like Instagram or Pinterest if you know where to search. But always make sure to credit the original owner when using their photos. When AI mode features the images from your article, it will be a gateway for the user to click and come to your website. And I don't think this is a wild guess. Google seems to be aware that visual content attracts attention. The list of links that appear on AI mode do present a cover photo, so there must be something to it. But if you don't have the resources to take a photo or compile images from the web, then AI images would be a great alternative. Although I should warn you to be careful and smart when using AI to produce images. It can indeed save time and money, but there are some limitations that you need to be aware of. Right now, it can mess up the text, the human fingers, and doesn't always represent the reality accurately. So instead of regular photos, you can use AI to create diagrams or even beautiful infographics. Check out this video to learn the hidden tools you can use to generate cool visuals using AI with basically zero mistakes. Click on that video and I'll see you there. Anyway, subscribe to this channel and thank you so much for watching.